Welcome to Daily English Talk Podcast.
Improve your English step by step.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Boost with James and Emily. I'm James.
And I'm Emily. Today we're talking about how to speak like the 1% elite.
Yes, we'll share simple phrases that make your English sound confident and natural.
And remember, if you like our podcast, hit like and subscribe. That helps us bring more episodes for you.
Let's start with our first phrase. I believe that shows confidence.
Example: I believe that practice makes perfect. Say it with me. I believe that.
Repeat it again. I believe that. Feel stronger already.
Next, in my opinion, polite and professional.
Example. In my opinion, reading every day helps you improve English. Repeat after me. In my opinion.
Daily life example. In my opinion, my quick breakfast is a banana.
Great! Next phrase. I suggest that to give friendly advice.
Example: I suggest that you watch English videos every day.
Try it again. I suggest that.
You can also say, I suggest that my friend try this new recipe.
Next. It's important to shows focus and clarity.
Example: It's important to drink water in the morning.
Repeat slowly. It's important to.
Another: It's important to sleep well every night.
Now, some more elite phrases you can use every day. 1. I'm confident that.
Example: I'm confident that you can learn English quickly. Repeat after me. I'm confident that. 2. From my experience.
Example. From my experience, reading books helps a lot.
Listen and repeat. From my experience. 3. One thing I've learned is.
Example. One thing I've learned is small steps are important.
Clear that. 5. I recommend.
Example. I recommend starting your day with water.
Try it. I recommend. 6. It's obvious that.
It's obvious that practice improves skills.
Repeat slowly. It's obvious that. 7. Personally, I think.
Example. Personally, I think learning a little every day is best.
Say it again. Personally, I think.
Notice how all these phrases make your sentences sound more confident?
Yes. And we keep repeating with real-life examples. That's how beginners really feel progress.
Remember, listen to repeat to use in your life. That's the key.
Today we learned many phrases. I believe that. In my opinion. I suggest that. It's important to. I'm confident that. From my experience. One thing I've learned is. It's clear that. I recommend. Personally, I think.
Try using them every day. And now, a fun question for our listeners.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Share your answers on social media or in the comments. We love reading them.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing and speak English like the elite.
See you next time, friends.